Okay, so we are now on law of science, term 1, week 2. Okay, so the unlocking content of vocabulary. So in this one is so define what is law of cosines. So what is a law of cosines? So a law of cosines is a formula used to find a missing side or angle in a triangle that is not necessarily a right triangle. So what is SAS? SAS is stands for side angle size. So this means that two sides and the included angle are known. How about SSS? SSS is side side side. So this means that three sides or lengths are known. What must be given in the triangle to solve for the unknown sides to be able to use the cosine law or the law of cosines? So to solve for unknown side using the law of cosine, you must be given two sides and their included angles. So it is side, angle, side. So how about if you will solve the angles in the triangle given the three sides? So how about if unknown is cosine A or angle A? So you will use this formula, which is cosine A is equal to B squared plus C squared minus A squared over 2BC. If angle B, we'll use the cosine B is equal to A squared plus C squared minus B squared over 2AC. And to find the angle C is you will use 180 degree minus the sum of A plus B. Or else, so kapag medyo nahirapan tayo dito, so we can use the law of sines in finding the unknown angle of the given oblique triangle. Solving an oblique triangles. So what is an oblique triangles? Is to find the missing side or angles of oblique triangles, but necessarily in right triangles. So SAS means two sides and the included angle are known. To solve an oblique triangles, first step is by using the law of cosine. So let's have an example. So given B is equal to 7 and C is 10, angle A is 50 degree, find the side A, angle B, and angle C. So illustrate first the given to the figure. So ito po yung figure po natin. So first step is find the side A using the law of cosines. Since it is unknown yung side A, so we'll use the formula of law of cosine, which is A squared equal to B squared plus C squared minus 2BC cosine A. So after that, substitute the given to the formula of law of cosines, which is A squared is equal to 7 squared since our B is 7, so it is 7 squared. Then C is 10, so 10 squared. 2, the value of B is 7 and the value of C is 10. Then cosine, since given angle is 50, so we have cosine 50. Then simplify. So 7 squared is equal to 49. 10 squared is 100. Then 2 times 7 times 10 is 114. So after that, simplify this one. So a squared is equal to 49 plus 100 minus 140 cosine 50. So pwede natin siya input sa calculator. Then the result is approximately to 59.01. So since may 2 pa tayo sa taas, so extract the square root. So extract natin po ito, then cancel. So it becomes A is equal to approximately to 59.01. And then extract the square root, input sa calculator, then the value of A is equal to 7.68 centimeter. Okay, so let's continue on solving oblique triangles, the SAS. So since we have step 1, we have the value of A on the side A is approximately to 7.68 centimeter. So now let us find the angle B. So, and C. So, find the angle B using the law of sines. So, since our figures here, so unknown is, so since meron na pa tayong A, which is 7.68, so we can now find the angle B and angle C. So, by using the law of sines, so given is 7.68, so unknown is angle B. So, here, angle B is unknown. So, ibig sabihin, ang gamitin natin na law of sine is A o sine A over A then equal to sine B over B. So, yun. Then substitute the given to the formula since sine B is unknown. So, our B is 7. Then sine A is 50. Then A is 7.68. Then after that, so by using our knowledge in cross multiplication, cross multiply lang natin po ito. So, it becomes sine B times 7.68 equal to sine 50 or 7 sine 50. Then divide both side by 7.68 para ma-eliminate po yan para maging sine B na lang. So equal to sine B is cancel po yan is equal to 7 sine 50 degree over 7.68. Then, so execute natin sa calculator ito. So it becomes approximately to 0.6984. Since ang hinahanap natin is angle B, so uli natin yung arc sine by finding the angle. So it becomes B is approximately to arc sine 0.6984. So input lang natin to sa calculator, then we have approximately to 44.2.